Hello and welcome back. Today on the Volvo we need to change the steering rack because it doesn't self-steer anymore, as well as the power steering pump. And then once it's ready we have to drive the car to my friend's body shop, who will try to salvage the body, the shell of the Volvo, because it's been in a pretty hard crash. If you haven't been following me for a while, then here's the clip of the crash. The first car spun, then my friend in front of me spun. I hit him. The Volvo took the hit pretty hard, to a lot of people's surprise, but it was a pretty hard crash. So let's try to salvage the shell and get it ready for the season. Okay, so my SD card is getting full and my battery is dying, but I'll put the power steering pump in right now. I'll go charge the battery for the camera, and when I'm ready I'll take the camera again once I'll go to the body shop. So see you in a few hours, I guess.
8:01 p.m.
The steering rack is in, the power steering pump is in and tightened. Now I just gotta put some fluid in here and put the new tie rod ends on, do some eyeball alignment and bleed the system, and we are ready to go. Okay, so I connected the battery, turned the ignition on, and we've got a fuel leak. Let's get this fixed and continue. Shorten the fuel line. Let's see if it holds fuel pressure. Yep, looks like it. Okay, let's try to crank it. Now, first let me go get a fire extinguisher, put it anywhere close, and then we can try to crank it. Okay, let's try and start it. It's gonna be really loud and the sound quality is gonna be awful, because I don't have the external mic. Okay, so the car got up to operating temps. It held coolant temps fine, no leaks in spite of an exhaust leak, which I was aware of because it happened at the last training. So I do need to take off the exhaust manifold. I'll do that once the shell is straight. So yeah, I'll put the wheels back on, change the rear wheels, and I'll drive to the body shop. I'll just check everything twice, if everything's tight and there's still no leaks, fluid leaks.
The next day.
me a hoe. Exit break, I'm making a living, it's gonna make me smile. And I keep on living up in six dishes, I need me a hoe. Exit break, it's gonna make me smile, make me smile. And I keep on living up in six dishes, I need me a hoe. Exit break, I'm making a living, it's gonna make me smile. And I keep on living up in six dishes, I need me a hoe. Exit break, I'm making a living, it's gonna make me smile.
So, I didn't really have time yesterday to finish the video, but this is how we ended up with the car. It all looks, from the outside, looks good. All straight, all fits. The front doors will be different for sure. Those are just temporary there for measurement purposes. I do have better conditioned doors. I wouldn't say new, but better conditioned doors coming. Both front and rear should come. And we got the side skirt, which hides all the imperfections. You can tell that shit happened because it was bent really badly. Like this part was in by this much. Those wires were completely pinched between those metals. Here, this was bent way too badly, so he had to cut it out and put a new piece of metal in. Before painting it, we're going to put some body filler in, make it more even. We've got a lot of work to do on the car when it comes to body work, but we'll get it all sorted before painting it. Now, underneath, it's all still bent. It would take a lot of work to pull it all out. For me, it's perfect, because once you close the doors and put the side skirt on it, you can't really tell it was bent that badly. He's done an amazing job. In 3 hours, he got it all straightened and working again. So, let me just take the rest of the Red Bull sticker off. Now we just gotta figure out the front bumper and the rear bumper situation, mount the new doors, and then we can start thinking about paint once we have the body kit ready. I will show you probably in the next video what I'm doing with the bumpers. I do have a IS200 bumper, rear bumper, and a 850R front bumper, which I'll try to somewhat make them fit. I'm leaving for work again today, so I won't be home for another week, and I don't know when I will have time to work on this car again, so I'm really happy with how it all came out. He did an amazing job, honestly. So yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.
Epilogue.